Are you ready to be part of the sustainable revolution? As technology continues to advance at a rapid pace, the need for sustainable innovation has never been more important. From electric vehicles to renewable energy solutions, the tech world is responding to the growing demand for greener, more eco-friendly alternatives. But how exactly is technology helping to build a more sustainable future? Today, we're diving into sustainable tech, the innovations driving positive change, and how they're shaping a cleaner, more efficient world for future generations. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications to stay updated on the latest tech trends and innovations. Here, we break down the newest technologies and how they're shaping the world around us. So, let's get started on sustainable tech. So, what exactly is sustainable tech? Sustainable technology refers to innovations that minimize environmental impact and promote resource efficiency while still delivering the convenience and functionality of modern technology. One major area where we're seeing a shift is in energy. Renewable energy technologies, such as solar panels and wind turbines, are becoming more efficient and cost-effective. Solar energy, wind power is also providing large-scale renewable energy solutions in many parts of the world. In the transportation sector, electric vehicles, EVs, are a key player in reducing global carbon emissions. Automakers like Tesla, Nissan, and even legacy brands like Ford are pushing forward with electric car models that offer impressive range and performance. Coupled with the expansion of charging infrastructure, electric vehicles are becoming more accessible and practical for everyday use. Beyond cars, electric public transportation options, including buses and trains, are also making cities cleaner and more sustainable. Sustainable technology is also making its way into our homes. Smart home devices are helping consumers reduce energy consumption with intelligent systems that manage lighting, heating, and appliances more efficiently. Moreover, energy-efficient appliances, such as dishwashers and refrigerators, are designed to minimize water and electricity usage, reducing both environmental impact and utility bills. Even recycling and waste management are becoming smarter through IoT, Internet of Things-based systems, which can optimize collection routes and improve recycling rates, contributing to a more circular economy. In agriculture, advancements like precision farming, which uses data analytics and AI to optimize resource use, are helping farmers grow food more sustainably. Automated water dripping systems and AI technology are transforming greenhouse farming. AI-powered sensors gather real-time data on temperature, humidity, CO2 levels, and soil moisture. This leads to healthier crops, reduced resource use, and minimized losses. And in manufacturing, companies are adopting 3D printing to minimize waste by producing exactly what is needed when it's needed. These forward-looking technologies are not only about reducing harm, but also about creating opportunities for a more resilient and eco-friendly future. The rise of sustainable technology represents a pivotal moment in the way we think about innovation. It's no longer just about making things faster or smarter. It's about making them greener, more efficient, and beneficial for both people and the planet. As consumers, businesses, and governments continue to embrace sustainable tech, we're heading towards a cleaner, more connected future. So, what excites you most about the future of sustainable tech? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights on the latest innovations shaping our world. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.